I hope you're well. I hope you're blessed. I hope you're living life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We have Chelsea.
Hello, what's goody? What one?
So we're coming with you with a story time.
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna tell you about our uni experience with restaurants.
We've had a lot.
We used to eat a lot.
But that just shows you how much of student finance went to food, child.
It's true. It's
a
true.
lot.
It's true. It's true. KFC. Listen, we were regular at KFC to the point.
First name basis. First name basis. Miriam who?
They knew my name. They didn't know Chelsea because Chelsea's very quiet.
I'm very quiet. She'll come with her app. Hello, Emmy. She said, "My points, please."
Even Amy used to suggest. Amy was like, "Do you have your app?"
Yeah,
because she was the one that told us about it. Now,
yeah, it was her. Yeah, and even once I came by myself.
Yeah,
and then Amy was like, "How's Miriam?" Amy works at KFC, by the way.
Yeah, Amy, if you didn't happen to see this video, I love you.
We
girl.
love you.
She used to be so nice to me. Like, she did 10/10 customer service. I have to
Conversation. How are you?
She used to recommend deals.
Let me tap your
offers.
App. Let me give you points. You know,
she was very generous.
Wonderful person.
Well, we love Amy. But how did we meet Amy? So we used to go to KFC every day.
That's why her nyash is gigantic.
My nyash?
Yeah.
My nyash?
Yeah.
Compared to yours?
Cut the cameras.
Compared to yours?
Cut the cameras.
Cut
the cameras.
No. Listen, I have hips. This one has hips.
She has
nyash.
Ike. Figure 8.
I have uku. No, I have uku.
Yeah, no, you have everything.
I have uku.
You have the waist and the bum.
My bum is very, as Flavor would say,
punkious and potable.
It's small medium. My nyash is small medium. Chelsea's nyash is just. Whew.
God is good.
Do you know how when people realize that Chelsea has nyash?
It's like they have an epiphany. You feel like.
But yeah, I mean, hers was God given. Mine, it grew. It grew by the special grace of God. You know. So yeah, KFC experience.
Yeah.
The first, memorable one was we getting stopped by these people to do a little mini interview thing, and Chelsea did it. She was very generous with her time. And
lol. Cute.
Yeah.
It was cute.
Do you remember that's when you used to have the crochet?
Yeah, it was actually very similar to this, but this is a wig.
I have a video, but I'm not gonna insert it. It's very important to me, so I'm not gonna give it to you guys. Okay.
We don't look at the past. We don't look at the past. We only look to the future.
Amen. So that was that.
Yeah.
And we had a good time. It was also a good, but for you, I don't know about you, but it was for me. It was almost like I was like, oh,
a bonding experience.
Yeah, I was like, oh, go girl.
I was so done. That feed they gave us wasn't nice though.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, was that rubbish?
I mean, yeah.
It was like was it a waffle something?
I don't know.
It was dirty.
I didn't try it. You did. So did
we split it in half?
I can't remember. That's how.
Try.
Yeah, but I remember the experience, not the food. And then after that, so that was the main gist. The main gist. It's your gist to tell. It is your gist to tell.
So we were hungry one blessed day. And it was winter as well, so the streets were cold and hard. So we were like, okay, let's have some KFC, chicken warms you up. So we went to KFC, I ordered chicken wings, have my fries.
Yeah.
Everything was tantalized in that bag. Yeah. So
and I got a burger.
Yeah.
I got the Zinger meal.
Yeah.
So I got a burger.
You love those Zinger meals were your meals.
Yeah.
That was your meal. Yeah.
I had 2 drinks and I had my drink, especially when I used to drink fizzy drink.
Yeah.
So I had my drink and my chips.
You know what? They would have enjoyed their meal a lot better if they finessed you.
I know.
Instead of me.
Even I offered to give them wings so they can let go of yours. Anyways.
Hey. walking back to uni, and there was this one girl.
She's a woman.
A woman. Okay, I'm just trying to be kind. So there was this woman, and she was homeless. Was she homeless?
My dear. I mean,
allegedly,
yes,
she was homeless and hungry, hungry for KFC. So,
so we're just walking.
Yeah.
They said, oh, do you spare some change? We're like, no, we don't have change. And they were like, oh, but we're really hungry. And then I was just like, okay, we're hungry too. But because I knew Chelsea only got wings, and I got wings and burger, so I was opening my bag to give them my 2 wings.
But her hand was already in yaba.
She was already snatching.
Her hand was already.
She was already snatching Chelsea's bag
from my hand,
and then just was like, wait.
I was like, we coming down. I was like, we coming down.
And
wait, like
just was like, but I need to eat as well. And then she said, just said I can give you some of my food.
Yeah, I can give you some of it, but not all of it.
She said no. She said
no for me and my sister. She was like, me and my sister.
She like, me and my sister. And then I was just like, okay, Chelsea give you some, and I give you some. I'll give you my wings. You know, she was like, no. She was like, it's not only for me. Like a beggar with a choice.
And her hand was still emotional.
A beggar with a choice. And then she took Chelsea's bag. So Chelsea's just there like, what just happened?
I felt so like vulnerable, and I felt so like used and abused.
Like, she took Chelsea's bag, and then she was just like,
I was just standing there like this, with nothing in my hand. I was just like,
and then she had the audacity to come and tell me, can I have yours as well? And
she was like, no, but me and my sister.
and then she basically said she wanted us to give her our food. And then
of it,
and then go and get another one for her. She doesn't care.
She was like, okay, let me just collect your food, and then you can think about what you'll eat later.
Like, hey. I was just like, this is not making sense. And then she was coming for my food. You know me, I said, hold up.
She was smart.
I said
she had it.
I said, I had to wait. You and your sister share that bag. Me and my sister, we share this one. And Auntie was so pissed. She was just like, well,
you're not getting it. You're not getting it.
I was like, no. And then she walked up, she started eating. We both turned
hey.
We both turned around. We're like, under fire, you and your sister.
We were scouting. Where's the sister? You said both of these food is for you and your sister. Where is the sister?
Where is the sister? And I was like,
nowhere to be found.
I was like, Chelsea, let's go. But Chelsea like, I'm not hungry anymore.
No, you know what? As she stole my food, she stole my appetite. She stole everything. She stole everything.
You know, your demeanor just changed.
I was like, my mood. I was just like, I've been bamboozled on the streets of London, in Central.
She said, me and my sister, we must chop your food by force. Did she take the drink as well?
No, I didn't get a drink. I went to buy a drink. I was just like, I'll just get myself a drink. I don't want chicken in my mouth.
Like, you ruining it. You ruining it.
Ruined everything.
Oh, it was so funny. Like, it just, and I think it happened so fast.
It really did. We're longing it out the way we're telling it, but that thing happened in maybe 20 to 30 seconds. Not even up to a minute. Like, not even up to a minute. My food was gone. Hey, my dear, I've seen things in this London.
She said, give me much of that. And
she was so greedy.
No, but what did that make you after that day? What changed?
Bruh. Oh, I know. I think I don't like it when I have experiences like this, because it makes me carry myself differently. Because usually before, I was that person to always like have change on me. And
I used to hate that. Chelsea, why?
I would go home with no change. Like I'll go.
No, listen. You remember, this is central London, yeah. So in every corner, there's a beggar, there's a homeless person. You have to understand that. So
And some of
from-
them are hustling. Though. Not all of them are actual like beggars. Like some of
No,
them, this is
their
their job. It's a
It's
9
their
to 5.
job.
They check in and check out. They have a pay slip with their P45. Like, hi.
So we're coming from uni, we're leaving uni library. By the time we get to our train station, we would have encountered 5 different beggars. Chelsea would say, Miriam, stop, hold on. She would be like, oh, I only have 5p. Oh, I only have £5. I'm just like, Chelsea, is it every day? Chelsea would be like, we're doing it for God.
Hey, good Samaritan indeed. That's how my chicken was telling. That's how my chicken. My chicken went another direction. I went another
She
direction.
said,
Hey.
no, I remember I used to tell, I said, Chelsea, it's not every day. Chelsea was like, oh, but Miriam, they're so cold. And I'm looking like this girl, like,
It was winter.
like, I'm looking at her like, we will leave Tesco. Chelsea will keep her change in hand, which is well and good. Do you understand? Because you have to be kind and generous. Like, they will really give her a point of, I don't know, let's say £4 future.
Yeah.
Chelsea would dash.
By the time, because the thing is, it's like from Tesco, it's just like one straight road. It's not even that long of a walk to uni.
No.
But by the time I get to that end of the road, where's the £4?
It's gone.
Hey.
It's, and then, you know, she used to rush. She used to think about it. She was like, I'll give you £1. I'll give the other one £1.
Hey, my dear.
Which was good. But so think about how I'm a generous person.
She really is. No, she is.
But this one.
No, but this one is just foolish at this point.
And I be like, Chelsea, stop. Chelsea be like, no, Miriam, God is using me.
I'm a vessel. How many instruments?
After that, they just thought the fire all of you.
Church, I know have. I only carry my cards. Sorry.
After that day, Chelsea said, you know what? All of you. Oh.
Cause she stole my like my whole food.
But,
like,
and then after that, what happened? We changed our route as well.
Yeah, we actually changed the whole route.
So instead of going through the UCL way, we went round with the shops.
Yeah. But do you think, you know,
it was quicker though.
A year later, I think I actually met the sister. I'm not even lying. Actually, and she tried to come to me. I said, yes. I said, yes.
Can I help you?
Yeah, I was like, what do you want? I was like, yes. I was like, I don't have money. I don't have. And she's like, she's like, please.
She's like, my sister.
Yeah. She did see. She said me and my sister. I was like, please. I have a lecture, please. It's good to give with wisdom.
Be wise.
Like, think about it. And just because you're feeding someone doesn't mean you have to go hungry yourself.
No.
But do what you can.
But I feel like also they use jazz sometimes. Not jazz.
No. Some people know. Some people.
You.
Yeah.
You can't.
As soon as they tap your shoulder, you find yourself in NatWest withdrawing some cash.
It's true.
I'm not even lying.
It's true. So you guys be careful. This is how she got her food stolen. And now she's not damaged, but she doesn't give this.
I don't even like walk to KFC. Like if I'm gonna eat KFC now, I order it. Like I don't even walk. Like yeah. I don't even walk there. Like even the one close to my house, it's not like they're there, but still the trauma. KFC, my wing.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye guys.
We'll see you again.
Hold your KFC tight. Bye.
Ooh.
Chai.